We are going to do some review today on expanded notation, and I just want to look at the place value chart one more time. Remember, the place is where a digit is located, and then the value is what that digit is worth. So in the thousands place, the value is 1,000. In the 10,000s place, the value is 10,000. So I have put digits on our place value chart. And just a reminder that if I read this number, I read it as 482,307. I use, when I come to a comma, I read that place value's name. Okay, it's the place. So again, 482,307. Now we're not going to say 307 ones. We do have 307 ones, but we would just read it as this number 307. So let's take a look at some examples. Again, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find out what the value is in each place. So here's my ones place. So I have 4 of them. I'm going to do a little shortcut. I'm going to use Control D and give me 3 more to make 4. I have 7 tens. And bring a 10 over, and I need 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, I don't need anything if I don't have a value in the hundreds place. So I'll go to the thousands place. I've got 5 thousands. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I've got the 10,000s place. We did not use this yesterday when we were practicing, so we are going to practice those today. 10,000, but I have 3 of them. So I've got 1, 2, 3. Now I can start looking at this. If I wanted to write it in expanded form only, I would write out the values. 30,000 plus 5,000 plus 70 plus 4. But remember, with expanded notation, we are going to talk about them in groups. So I start with a parentheses. I have 3 groups of 10,000. Make sure you get the right number of zeros there. I'm going to make my box a little bit bigger. Plus, I have 5 groups of 1,000. Plus, I don't have any hundreds, so I don't need to use hundreds, but I do have 7 groups of 10. And make this just a little bit bigger so I can get it in one line. I have 4 groups of 1. And just a note here, sometimes you might run out of space on your paper. Just remember, don't break up your groups. So if I wanted to go to the next line, I might bring them down like this. Okay, but I would never break up my parentheses. I just go down to the next line with my next group. Let's try one more example. 562,438. All right. We've got 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. I have 4 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 2 thousands. 1, 2. I have 6 10,000s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 5 100,000s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's write this in expanded notation. I'm going to go ahead and make my box a little bit bigger. Okay, remember we're writing them in groups for expanded notation. Parentheses. I have 5 groups of 100,000. Plus, I have 6 groups of 10,000. Plus, I have 2 groups of 1,000. Plus, I have 4 groups of 100. Plus, my 3 groups of 10. Ooh, need a little more space here. All right, and then I'm going to add my last place. I have 8 groups of 1. All right, and what I would do when I am done, I would go back and check, okay, 100,000s, I have 5, 10,000s, I do have 6, 1,000s, I have 2, hundreds, 4, tens, I have 3, and eights, I have 8 ones. So make sure you are also double checking, and I am going to leave you to do some practice with your teacher during your Zoom lesson, and then you have another practice that you can do independently today, and again, check your answers. All right, thank you for joining me today. Bye-bye.